This assessment asks us to rank the covalent bonds on screen in order of increasing polarity, where 1 is most polar and 6 is least polar. Since all of them involve a bond with carbon, we can look at these based on the electronegativity of the attached atoms. And so we know that electronegativity is going to increase as we go up and to the right. We can do the polarity on the basis of that. If you have a periodic table, you can look at that. What you'll notice is that the least polar bond is going to be the carbon-carbon bond, since those two have identical electronegativities. So we'll call that one 6. The carbon-hydrogen bond, because hydrogen is very far on the left side of the periodic table, is not going to be an electronegative atom. So it will be bond number 5 in terms of polarity. When we look over here, sulfur and oxygen are in the same group of the periodic table. So sulfur is going to be less electronegative than oxygen. So we'll call that one 4. Oxygen being right above it is, we might think, would be number 3, but we have to think about the carbon-chlorine bond first. Chlorine and oxygen are pretty similar in terms of their electronegativity, so we're going to call the chlorine the 3. Oxygen being higher up but to the left will be 2, and fluorine, the most electronegative atom, will be 1. And so this would be our guess, our prediction for the polarity based on their relative locations. Now look at the table and see how close we were.